As live events and gatherings are back, Alba Music Productions opens their produced theatrical drama to the public. The Path to Avalon, King Arthur the Musical is set to premiere this upcoming November 26 to 27 at the center stage SM Seaside City. The musical is a combination of a mythological drama, history, and legend from the fabled Scottish Isles.
Don't go more than 45 minutes. 45 minutes, nobody will be interested. You won't keep their attention. Wrong. I think this will keep people's attention. I think time will fly past and they will enjoy the show.
The production really helped us a lot for the preparation. Discussed the history, the legend, especially our producer Jim, who is from Scotland. Also, we did our own research as advised by the production that we do our own research, our thorough research about our character, and it really helped us a lot. It's an honor playing this character, and I'm excited to share it to everyone, for everyone to know more about the story of King Arthur. I'm sure there are movies out there about King Arthur, but this one's different. This one gives a different flavor and more depth about the story of King Arthur.
This masterpiece is by 𝗵𝗵 and Trevor Holmes and directed by Roldan Ardiles. Though set in a different country, the casts are all Bisaya theater actors, making it relatable to the audience.
Actually, I did theater workshop to them before they plunged into the proper rehearsal. Okay, so as an actress, I always do support young budding actors. So whenever they need me, I am there. So to support and give tips, techniques, and other possibilities of honing their talents. By the way, I'm so happy that we here in Cebu are given the chance and opportunity to be in this production produced by a foreigner. And we are very thankful for Jim. Can you imagine these talents? We have these talents and they are just waiting to be tapped. And because of this production, it gives way for these very talented, young, budding actors here in Cebu, mga Bisaya, and I can see a better future for the theater world in the community. So,
I think in theater there's really no age. We respect each other no matter what. And I'm really thankful to be with these people over here because they've helped me grow, and I'm really happy to be in this show.
Well, actually, I treat each cast members as a family. So, like for example, like 𝗶𝗵𝗴, he's like my older brother, and everyone here is, I don't know, they're like a family to me. Ever since the workshop, they've been all friendly, and I love them all so much, and I'm really grateful for them. So yes, I mean the energy won't really stop if everyone loves each other, especially on set.
The play runs for 2 hours filled with drama, intrigue, magic, and love in the 6th century, looking back on the rise and fall of Arthur as the King of Britain.
and ashamed, a silent watch you keep. I dream of life beyond tomorrow, long past days I seem to borrow. I lie awake and I watch the morning stars. That morning light appears. There are many battles to be fought and to be won before